Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So Friendship Day is coming and friendship band is the most popular gift you can gift it to your friends on Friendship Day. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and do let me know which band is your favorite in the comment section below. So let's begin. So the first friendship band is from the beads. So these beads are from my old broken bracelet and neck piece, and this is the best example of best out of waste, as you can see. So you just need one thread, some beads and needle, and your friendship day band is ready. Now let's make our second friendship band, and in this I am taking two different color of threads and I am going to make a knot. Just follow the instruction how exactly I'm making the knot, and the color should come like pink, blue, then only it will look really nice. So now let's make our third friendship day band, which is with the ribbons. You just need 3 ribbons and start making the knots something like this. Now let's make our fourth friendship band, which is with these paper clip, and this is very easily available. And the last friendship band is the most simple friendship band, because in this you just need one ribbon and some kundan stickers. So that is it, friends. I hope this video was useful and it has given some information to you. Do let me know which one is your favorite Friendship Day band, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.